Hello everybody, I'm Akim with TOA Electronics in Africa. We are the Barcelona ISE 2023. I would like to introduce one of our latest wireless digital tour guide system. So this is a system whereby it has 4 channels. For example, if you are in Lagos and you have maybe tourists going around Lagos, you have Spanish, you have a French, you have English, and you have maybe a German. So they can be on 4 channels. Each one will be given one of these devices. So 4 translators are talking. Let's say your tour guide is a Yoruba man who doesn't understand the other languages. So he's speaking in Yoruba. You have other 4 guys speaking on different channels. So each of the guide can be on a particular channel and listen to these translations. So you have 4 channels at a particular time. And the number of devices is unlimited because it's like a radio frequency transmitted to all these devices. So it's an unlimited system with 4 channel output. So the battery life is up to 14 hours when you charge them. And you can reach out to me for more information. Thank you.